For number 39, a plane takes off at an angle of 5 degrees. After traveling 1 mile along this flight path, how high in feet is the plane above the ground? So the angle of elevation is 5 degrees, and we're trying to find how high the plane went. So we're trying to find x, which would be the opposite of the angle, and this would be the adjacent. So it would be tangent 5 equals x over 5,280, and we would times both sides. This would cancel out, and the answer would be x equals 461.94 feet, and that is how high the plane took off, and that's how high it was in feet. For number 43, from a window 30 feet above the street, the angle of elevation to the top of the building across the street is 50 degrees, and the angle of depression to the base of this building is 20 degrees. Find the height of the building across the street. So for this, to find the angle of elevation, we would first need to find the bottom, which is the angle of depression. So the window is 30 feet above the ground, so that means the other building is the same. So this side would be opposite, and what we are trying to find is the distance between the two buildings. So this would be x, but it's also adjacent to the angle. So it would be tangent 20 equals 30 over x. We would time both sides by x. And for this, I got, when you put tangent 20 into the calculator, I got 0.363970234. X equals 30. And when you divide both sides by this, I got x equals 82.4 feet. So that the distance between them both would be 82.4. And to find the angle, or to find the height of the building, we would then plug in, so if the distance between these two buildings would be 82.4, the height of the window is 30 feet, and what we're trying to find is the height of the building. So our angle of elevation is 50. So this is adjacent, and we're trying to find the height, which is the opposite. So it would be tangent 50 equals x over 82.4 times both sides by that. And when you times these two together, you get 98.2 feet plus the 30 feet, and you would get 128.2 feet, and that's the height of the building.